Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So once again, there seems to be another problematic update, which is caused by a recent security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender. Now, this is after I have been posting over the last couple of weeks regarding these ongoing Microsoft Defender update issues. And just to do a quick recap, just to put everything into context for the purpose of today's video. Now, I did post a week or two ago that Microsoft had recently announced that the ongoing Windows 11 Microsoft Defender LSA protection is off issue was resolved in a recent update for the Windows Security app, where the LSA was asking you for a persistent restart and was telling you that the actual setting was off. Now, that was resolved, and I'll leave a link to that video down below. And then as I posted a couple of days after that video, unfortunately, after that update did roll out, when you are now trying to right-click, as I am now, on the Windows Security icon in the system tray, nothing happens. And no menu is displayed where previously, if you right-clicked, there was a menu that popped out which gave you some other options. And I'll also leave a link to that video down below. Now, as mentioned, it seems now that we have another issue with a recent update for Microsoft Defender. And if we just head over to Windows Update, as you will see now when I check for updates, once again, recent updates for Microsoft Defender are trying to reinstall themselves over and over again. And this is not the first time we've experienced this issue. There we go. It happens very quickly, and you can see that. And once again, this bug has been reintroduced now into Windows 11 version 22H2. Now, it seems at this stage, if we head to our update history and click on definition updates, it seems at this stage that this is the problematic security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender Antivirus, which rolled out on the 14th of July. So that was last week, Friday. And the update is 2267602, version 1.393.304.0. And it seems now, since that update rolled out recently, that this update and other updates that have been previously installed are now trying to install over and over again. And as you can see, if we head back to our check for update, it really just displays for a brief second, but there is actually nothing wrong with your system. It's just a bug. Those updates have been installed, but this bug just keeps trying to install them over and over again for whatever reason. So there's nothing actually wrong. It's just a bug. Those updates have been installed. And once again, at this stage, there is no fix. And what I have suggested, as I've mentioned in previous videos, because this isn't the first time this issue has reared its head, is you just have to wait, be patient. Nothing's actually wrong with your system. It's just a silly bug where, as mentioned, it looks like those updates are trying to reinstall themselves. And what I would suggest is just be patient and just wait for Microsoft to roll out another update over the next couple of days. And I have found that it does rectify itself sooner than later. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.